Hello, Marty DeGrama here. Welcome to my channel, Crypto Data and News. I share the crypto news of the day. If you enjoy what you're seeing, give me a thumbs up and please subscribe to my channel. Enjoy the video.
Hey guys, Robin Lynn here with Zenabits. I want to share with you guys, I was speaking to a leader last night. I'm speaking with him again tonight from Singapore. He was somebody who was involved with USI Tech and had a lot of people under him in his downline. He ended up generating significant wealth in the cryptocurrency programs and Bitcoin programs. But unfortunately, a lot of his team members got in late, like some of you may have, and lost a lot of money in the crypto lending platforms, which were obviously, as we now know, a scam. So how many of you here were part of the crypto programs, whether you knew they were a scam or you just knew it, but you wanted to believe in the fact that they had a potential because they were generating significant wealth for a lot of people, especially who got in early? So how many of you were involved with that, right? So a lot of times, especially if you're a leader or a team builder or a networker, maybe you've got some marketing experience. For those of you who have teams who love to network, who love to generate commissions, and not just for yourself, financial stability, but to help your team members, to help grow a business, what I want to share with you is something that I didn't know was possible because I was also burned by the lending platforms. I lost a lot of money. I was actually one of the fastest growing teams when I first came in. I ended up having hundreds and hundreds and hundreds of people coming in as paid customers and thousands and thousands and thousands of people lined up ready to get started. I was generating almost a Bitcoin a day and was able to feel at the first time in my life like cryptocurrency was just the way. And I didn't have to buy Bitcoin to profit, but I was able to generate commissions. And so I loved that aspect of the freedom financially, but also to help other people because I have mentored and coached and consulted with thousands of people around the world to teach people business skills, online marketing and advertising. And so it was a shift for me from going to offering my own services and value to teaching people how to get in front of a camera and and promote their products, their own products. That was challenging for most people, let alone being able to make, as I did, millions of dollars doing it. And so when I shifted into generating commissions with Bitcoin, it changed my life. And I want to let you guys know, since January now, I have been living off of Bitcoin, but it's because I've learned how to not hodl my Bitcoin. I lost money when Bitcoin went up. Like, who loses money when Bitcoin goes up? I did, because I didn't take out the profit. I didn't know when to sell. I didn't know when to get back in. I freaked out and I ended up losing money trying to do manual trades on my own. And so I'm here to share with you guys that there's a new product, there's a new financial program available to teach people, also newbies as well as expert traders. I do attract a lot of people who are experts in the Wall Street stock market trading, but a lot of people I also attract are newbie traders, people who don't even have Bitcoin. So long story short, since January of this year, after Bitcoin went up, when Bitcoin started going down, I actually started profiting more than when we were in a bull run. I profited more. I know it's like hard to assess right now, like, what is she saying? I profited more when Bitcoin was going down because I knew how to leverage the trends. When the market is shifting, when we're going from a bull run up, up, up to a bear run down, down, down to consolidation sideways, when things are at a standstill or the market's undecided of which way to go, what happens is we know when to get in and when to get out. And we also have an opportunity to generate additional commissions and offering a new program. And this is called Unify. And I have a link. So somewhere around this video in the description, if you're on your phone, you're likely going to have to click the down arrow. And I'd love to be able to introduce you, especially if you're a leader, a marketer, someone like myself who just loves making money because you love to empower yourself and have a free lifestyle and get to do what inspires you, but to teach others how to be financially free. around the world, it is possible. You don't have to struggle. I have been able to generate enough to live off my profits trading Bitcoin. And I don't need to buy Bitcoin in order to do that, because I use, in my trades, I use the commissions I get in the Unify program. And I just put my commissions in to trade with. So this is just it's such an amazing opportunity. They are legit. The owners come from Canada. They were born in Canada. They have offices in the UK and in Canada. They are compliant and legit in the United States, all over the world. And we just launched, and we have an amazing opportunity. If you click on the Zenabits link in this video, you'll see that I'll share with you actual historical data and results over the past months, many months. From the bull run, you'll see how much you would have made following these signals, to the bear run when everything was crashing. How if you did a buy and hold, you would have lost over 32% versus gaining almost 12% using the strategy that I am now following. I believe Bitcoin is going to go up, but if I was still holding my Bitcoin, I would be at a loss. I would. So I learned the right strategy to teach myself, to help my team members, and to empower them as well with the amazing compensation plan. This company is a heart-centered company. The reason why they formulated their algorithmic trading financial program and university setting to teach newbies, not just the crypto side, but the money market side too, guys. They offer such a high-level, financially intelligent product to teach all people of all different age groups and mindsets to how to increase our financial IQ, to understand what the 1% know, to profit off our profit, and to protect our money. That's the most important piece. My money is protected. But I love the fact that this company started and offered a business model for this product because they wanted to empower people around the world, and they have other initiatives like Unify Cares, which is a nonprofit aside of the business, to help empower impoverished countries and the unbanked in other parts of the world. There's a heart-centered vision and message that comes from the rootedness of this company, and that's why they came out with this business model, because they wanted to empower people financially. When you look back at what you lost, or the other platforms like the lending platforms, BitConnect, USI Tech, even Genesis Mining, all those other platforms, guys, whether you were involved with them or not, now looking back, you're like, well, that was a scam. The owners were sleazy. Like, wow, that didn't work out. They were in it to make millions and millions and billions, but did they really care about us? Was that their intention? And this company, Unify, I do sit on the VIP council and work intimately with the executive team and ownership, by the way. The company was formulated because they wanted to empower people financially. They had a background in the financial marketplaces with the stock market, and they made a lot of money that way. And they wanted to teach other people how to do that. After the stock market crash, the owner, Ron Monterulli, knew when to take his money out because he knew the crash was coming. And he's teaching us now in Prosperity University. He's teaching all of us when to know these things, to know when things go up, when to get in, when things go down, when to get out. So we're talking about increasing financial IQ to protect and grow our money. The emphasis is on protecting, because I was able to grow my money, guys, but because I didn't know when to protect my money and how to protect my money, I lost. Even though Bitcoin went up, I lost. Not everybody did, but I did. And I want to be able to share with everybody in the world how to not just have to buy Bitcoin to have it, but to generate crypto commissions in a legit way, in an amazingly simple way, because this company the tagline is real freedom, real simple. But on top of that, to be able to teach other people what we're doing, right? Because it's not just about me making money. I know how to make millions of dollars offering online business systems, but for other people to generate millions doing that, it's not realistic. So this is an opportunity for me to help those of you team leaders and builders and marketers to teach other people and to share with your teams how to do this, whether you want to approach it as we do from both markets, cold market, online systems using our system, or the warm market and doing live events as we do as well. So be sure to check out, go to zenabits.com. There's a link in this post, and meet me over there. I break down for you the historical data. I show you exactly how Unify strategy works, how you can get your hands on these signals and the product to educate your team who are newbies to get Bitcoin, to learn how to access the